Welcome to the Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium video series. Today we are going to learn about subject History and Civics, Standard 6, Lesson number 5, Religions Trends in Ancient India, video number 17. Jainism. Jainism is one of the ancient religions in India. This religion gives importance to the principle of non-violence. According to Jain traditions, a person who reveals religious knowledge is known as a Tirthankar. There have been 24 Tirthankars in all. Vardhaman Mahavir is a 24th Tirthankar in the Jain religious traditions. Vardhaman Mahavir 599 before Common Era to 527 before Common Era. There was a Mahajanpada known as a Vrinji in what is known as the state of Bihar today. Its capital was Vaishali. Vardhaman Mahavir was born in Kundangram, a part of Vaishali. His father's name was Siddharth and mother's Trishala. Vardhaman Mahavir left his home and all comfort for the attainment of knowledge. He attained enlightenment after 12.5 years of rigorous tapa. This knowledge was pure or keval. Therefore, he is also known as Kevali. He was called Jina or Conquer because the joy derived from physical comfort and the discomfort left due to undesired things had no impact whatever on him. The term Jain derived from the word Jina. Vardhaman is said to be Mahavir because he had the resilience, the courage to conquer all passions. After the attainment of knowledge, he preached for about 30 years to explain the essence of religion to the people. To make it easy for people to understand it, he spoke to them in Ardhamagdi, a people's language. He said stress on good conduct. The essence of his teaching for good conduct is contained in the five great vows, Panchamahavratas, and the three jewels, three Ratnas. The assembly held by the Tirthankar to preach to people was known as Samavarsaran in Ardhamagdi. Samavarsaran was based on equality. People of all Varnas had entry to it. The Panchamahavratas, the five great vows. These are five rules to be following strictly. Ahimsa, it means that non-violence. No living being should be hurt, injured, or harmed through one's behavior. Second, Satya, it means that truth. Every speech and action should be truth. Third, Asteya. Asteya means depth. Talking what belong to others without their consent is theft or stealing. Asteya means not stealing anything. Aparigraha, non-attachment. It means that man trains to accumulate properly due to greed. Aparigraha means not hoarding or accumulating anything in this way. Fifth, Brahmacharya. It means living broadly, pressure and following the vows. Triratna. The three jewels are the three principles: सम्यक दर्शन, सम्यक ज्ञान, सम्यक चरित्रा. First one, Samyak Darshan. To understand the truth is a preaching of the Tirthankar and to have faith in it. Samyak Gyan. Studying the preaching and philosophy of the Tirthankar regularly and learning its deep meaning. Samyak Charitra. Strictly following the five great vows. Essence of his teaching. Among the teaching of Mahavir, Enekanta Vada is considered to be very important in the quest for truth. It means pluralism or multiple viewpoints. In our quest for truth, if we focus on only one or two except for viewpoints and draw conclusion, the whole truth is not now. Therefore, it is necessary to pay attention to all except of an issue. If people follow this, they develop tolerance towards the opinions of other people in society and gives up the attitude of stubborn adherence to their own opinions. Essence of Vardhaman Mahavir's teaching: love all living things, have mercy, had compassion, live and let live. Thank you.